Well, hey, you all. Today we are right here in beautiful North Carolina, and I've got something really special to share with you. If you love history, character, and a home that's just waiting for someone to bring it back to life, this one's going to catch your attention. Sitting on 2.47 acres in Edgecombe County, this is a grand old historic home that's full of charm. Now, I'll be honest, it does need some TLC, but if you've ever dreamed of restoring a piece of history and making it your own, this is the perfect fixer-upper opportunity. The moment you pull in, you're greeted by a long tree-lined driveway. It's the kind of entrance that feels straight out of a movie, picturesque, private, and inviting. And once you step inside, the home's character really shines through. We're talking tall, 12-foot ceilings, original pine floors, and more fireplaces than you can count. Each one tells its own story, adding warmth and personality to every room. The spaces are big, open, and full of natural light, ideal for gathering with family, entertaining, or just enjoying the sheer scale of an older Southern home. With tons of room throughout, this home is perfect for a large family or even multi-generational living. There's enough space here to carve out private areas for in-laws or guests, while still keeping that grand, welcoming feel. Outside, you've got plenty of land to spread out and enjoy. At nearly 2.5 acres, there's room for gardening, outdoor play, or simply soaking in the peace and quiet. Several outbuildings are included as well. They don't carry much value, but they add extra space for storage, projects, or even a creative reimagining down the road. This home truly offers something rare these days, character you just can't replicate with new construction. From the wide pine floors to the soaring ceilings, it's a place that reflects a different time, a time when craftsmanship and space came standard. Sure, it needs some updates, but that's the exciting part. You get to decide how to bring this beauty back to life while keeping all the original charm that makes it so special. Imagine what this place will look like once it's restored. So, if you've been searching for a property with history, personality, and room to grow, this old grand home in North Carolina could be the perfect fit. A true diamond in the rough, just waiting for its next chapter.